Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss a differential equation question. Here is a homogeneous differential equation is given with the condition x and y not equal 0. And it's very simple question over here. And let's get into it. This is a homogeneous equation. And then by substituting y is equal to vx, we need to solve for this equation and we have to express our equation in a form y square equal f of x. Then after that, it's a quite big process and it have a high weightage too. Then the points of zero gradient on the curve y square equal f of x lie on two straight lines of the form y equal to mx. So this curve have zero gradient on the curve, right? So this have two straight lines which can be written in the form y is equal to mx. Like it might be, it passed to the origin, right? There is no y equal to mx plus c, where m is a real number. We need to find for the values of m here. Okay, first let's complete the first part. We have to solve for it. Dy by dx is given, y is equal to vx. First, you take the y equal to vx and start substituting, because from this we can fetch dy by dx, right? So dy by dx equal, it's uv form. So v, that is when you differentiate, so I keep the v as it is, I differentiated x, it becomes 1. Plus I keep the x as it is and then I'll differentiate v, it will be dv by dx. Right? Now we can just substitute v plus xv. Wait, what? It's actually multiply, right? X times. So v plus x dv by dx is equal to dy by dx. I just interchange the places for convenience. And dy by dx is given, just copy it. Y square minus 2x square divided by xy. And yeah, let me replace that y is equal to vx here. And v plus x dv by dx is going to be, y square is v square x square minus 2x square x into vx. Okay, let me replace it. X into vx is vx square. Just a substitution. We need to simplify and represent the solution in y square equal to f of x form. Okay, let me transpose the v over there. X dv by dx equal. Okay, so we can simplify this part. You can take an x square common, so that you will get v square minus 2 by v. And denominator also an x square can be taken common, it's out. So x dv by dx equal v square by v, it's going to be v minus 2 by v. And this v, if I transpose, this will become a minus v. So plus v minus v get cancelled. And we got x dv by dx is equal to, let me continue here. X dv by dx equal to minus 2 by v. Let me group v and x on one side. So dv and v. So v when you transpose, and here it's minus 2 is out, and it will become 1 by x dx, right? Let me take integration on both sides. V dv, it's going to be v square by 2 minus 2. 1 by x, it's ln mod x, plus the common constant. So don't add on the left side, let it be a common on any one of the side. Now let me replace, because I don't want v square form, right? So again, y equal to vx, which means v is equal to y by x. V square is y square by 2x square equal minus 2 ln mod x plus c. So here we will make a mistake. We will take the 2x square over there. It should not be done. Okay, let's find out the c and then we can. So to find out the c, they give the values to find c. C, or you can substitute x is equal to 1 and y equal to 2 is given. So substitute it in this particular equation star. What happened? So 2 square, which is 4, by 2 times 1 square equal minus 2 ln of mod 1 plus c. Ln 1 is 0, right? So this will be completely 0, and you got c is equal to 4 by 2, which is 2. So we got c is equal to 2. So that's it. Now this function, I'm just going to copy this. This function is getting complete now, as we know the c value also. So just replace the c with 2. Now you can take y square equal minus 4x square ln mod x plus 4x square. So the best answer can be in simplified form, y square equal minus 4x square. If you take common, it will be 1 minus ln mod x. Okay, first part is done. It's an 8-mark question. Then next part. Okay, so the points of zero gradient on the curve, this particular y square equal to f of x curve, lie on two straight lines of the form, right? So this curve has zero gradient at some point, and those points lie on a straight lines which is of the form y equal to mx. Okay, zero gradient means dy by dx is 0, isn't it? So I'm going to do the same. Dy by dx is equal to 0. This function is actually made from the original homogeneous differential equation. So for B part, check that. Dy by dx is equal to 0. And it is y square. Okay, what is that? It's fine. Dy by dx is y square. This is given in the question, the curve equation, by xy equals 0. And when you simplify, this will go for 0 part. Y square minus 2x square is equal to 0. Y square equal to x square. Y is equal to plus or minus root 2 and just x. Okay, what they said is y, it is in the form y is equal to, the two lines are in the form y equal to mx. We need to find the values of m. So just compare with them. When you compare, m is equal to plus or minus root 2. These are the values of m. Right? That's simple. The B part, it carries just 2 marks. And that's simple it is. Thank you so much for listening.